Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try Smith-Morra here. Can I take that to try and keep things openish? Well, pressure points and stuff. What is this? Yeah, it looks a bit dangerous. Interesting, it's Queen H5. Try and castle queenside later. Even better. Okay, let's use a knight e4, bishop e3. Or knight e6, or knight f7. Knight e7, bishop e6, queen e7. What about just knight f3, giving him queen f6. So we're playing it here, which is quite accurate. Must be another game I had something like knight e5, knight c7. Knight e4. Can I not just play knight ge4 threatening bishop h6 without queen f6? Knight ge4. So I want to play bishop h6. I think getting some compensation. If I spot castle queens, I think it's getting dangerous, to say the least. Right, so bishop takes h6 here. Gives me rook d1, or the possibility of castling queenside soon. I think bishop takes castle queenside. Rook d1, d3 to g3 as well. Only two steps away, just the rook left for that g file, h file. So it's with tempo. Maybe that's another way to go. Don't worry about castling queenside. Okay. f4 would give me bishop g7 and knight f6 potentially. It would be nice to play rook d3, rook g3. He's going to play rook d8 though. Or not. Okay, rook d3 to g3 looks good. There's knight f5. Let's take here for knight f6. Would win d4 anyway. Yeah, just knight f6 and rook d4. So it's stopping his knight f5 in its tracks. Takes, check. King here, there's knight f6, king h8. There's knight f6, threatening queen h6. I think yeah, was causing some weaknesses in the last move here. Knight f6, rook g8. Yeah, that looks really crushing. So queen g5 and knight f6. Queen d4, Queen g5, King h7, knight f6, King h8, knight f6. Has he got any key checks there? I don't think he hasn't got that many checks.
Check.
Yeah, I think knight f6 is pretty crushing. Threatening Queen h6. I'm sort of boarding the frog, taking away the king escape squares subtly. Knight f6. There's no queen e5. Don't think there's a check in sight. I'm threatening Queen h6. Oh, that's a good one.
Check. Check.
Okay, yeah, it's a bit fun to be had there in this when the knight goes over to the queen side. Bit of fun. Only, yeah, this much. Oh, hang on. What have I done? What have I done? I played this when in fact Queen d3 is murderous, isn't it? Absolutely murderous. Oh, crikey. What does he do? What does he give up the queen? Oh, blimey. This is absolute murder. Huh! What is this about? Oh,
Check.
crikey.
Check.
Okay, that's what it should have happened in this game, but no, this one happened. It said I took the slower donkey route to climb the mountain. Oh dear. I actually found some good moves here, I think. Did I? Nope. This is okay, but there's rook h8. Check. Rook d3, that rook left's there.
Check.
Right, the knight's pinned.
Check.
Yeah, if Queen G7, there's knight F6. If knight G7, I'd just take the queen. Yeah, it's all pretty murderous, but I think, okay, rook H8
Check.
is better for white. But,
Check.
yeah, this is crushing anyway. Alright, enjoyed that one. Comments, questions, appreciated. Thanks very much.